One of the problems of some of these machines, these combo units, is that they do not allow you to record certain videos. Now, pre-recorded videos on the whole, it's a mixed bag. Some will let you record them and some won't. It depends if they are Macrovision videos. I've tried to record using this Panasonic EZ48V, and this is what I've just got as a message. It just says, cannot copy, copying of this material is not allowed. So another approach is to try it through a separate recorder. So I've got the SCART that's coming out of this bottom player, and it goes into this Liteon DVD recorder, which I picked up for free and fixed in one of my other videos, so you might want to check that one out. But I'm going to see if it basically allows me to record directly onto this one. So let's give that a go. So just press play now, and I'm going to try recording directly to hard disk. So let's see what it does. It says protected input source. So even the standalone DVD recorder is struggling with the output there from this Panasonic. So let's give this a stop. And it's saying it's recording now, but it's just recording blank. So what I need to do is fix this one up so it's Macrovision free. And I'm just wondering if it's possible in this day and age. Is there still software out there online that's been hacked that can allow you to record? And this particular model, I'm in the UK, and this is an LVW5025 GHC plus. So one of the first things I need to do is determine what the firmware is. This is the version that I've got installed as it stands, and it's version 18. Okay, I've gone online and I'll put some pictures of the site that I went to, and I've downloaded and I've burnt a disk with the firmware on it. I'm going to try to update it now. I can't remember what the process was because it was a little while ago. The disk is in there and I've powered it down. So what you have to do is power on the device, and it will read the drive. Now I've recorded it to a DVD. It can be recorded to a CDR as well, I think. But I had lots of DVDs hanging around, so that's what I've done, and it comes up with this screen now. System will be upgraded, press OK or cancel to abort. So let's do OK, and this is what I'm seeing on the front. It's saying firmware up 00028, so I'll go OK. And it seems to be doing it. Quite quickly, in fact. So maybe it's got a two-stage process, like a verification process. Maybe like a checksum or something. It says it's completed. Okay, let's power it down. Says to power it down anyway. Okay, let's turn it on again. So the upgrade should allow me to update the hard disk if I want, like make a bigger hard disk. it should also let me do the Macrovision, and it's also now made it region free on the DVDs as well, so that's quite good. What I'm going to do now is just do a quick test on the recording part. So let's start playing the video, and I suppose I better have that in the right channel. It's all to do with the source, isn't it? Start. Okay, so let's now try to record. There you go. It is now recording where it didn't like to record before. So that was successful. I'm just going to stop that. That just goes to show that you can still make these old Liteons Macrovision friendly, and also you can up the disk space as well for the hard disk. The other thing that you can do is they are now region free out the box, so it will play DVDs from various regions. I'm just going to have one more look at the menu system. So that's going to set up, and yeah, we can see now we're on to 28. That's the firmware version. I'm just going to go down. Let's check some of this stuff here. Let's just go back up here. Okay. Let's go out of here. Let's go to the navigator, or I should say the guider. Let's see what this one does. So this is record, SCART, hard disk, and there we go. We've got even more recording modes, although I would always suggest to go with the best quality mode that you can do. High quality will only get you around an hour on a DVD, so short play is preferable, but probably never go below these, into these ones. But they're there anyway, so could be useful, I guess, if this whole thing was connected to a CCTV camera or something like that. You've got plenty of hours of recording there, but for better quality you do want to be at the much higher kind of bit rate, which is HQ. So that's what I'm going to put it on, but I'm not going to do it yet. It's going to come out of there. Well, thank you for tuning in to watch this video. Please can you like and subscribe, and I will do some similar videos in the future. Bye for now.